Time to get ready for our next parasite cleanse. The only parasite cleanse I trust, and it comes with full instructions. We love that. Because there's a lot that just comes with a tincture and they're like, good luck. And if you don't know what you're doing, that could be really, really not a good thing. Die-off symptoms are booty meat. ParaFy helps with our parasites. The metal flush helps flush heavy metals, which parasites like to hide under. Sustain is for a candida overgrowth, so think like yeast. Red Artist helps get our body back some of the minerals that it is going to be losing throughout this process. It's also great for functional support. And one of my favorites, the Fulvic Soak. This will pull it all out of you, literally. I'm not kidding. Go back into the Parasite playlist and check that out. It's gnarly. We're doing a full social media cleanse, so we will be doing this with thousands of people, and I'm pumped. But we gotta get the body ready, because as I mentioned before, die-off symptoms, booty meat. So as always, we are starting our morning with some alkaline water, a little baking soda and Celtic salt. If you don't wanna go buy it because it's hella expensive, that's what I do. This is gonna keep your cells nice and hydrated and will help with the detoxification process, because ideally you wanna flush all of it out. Now for the juicy stuff. We will be doing a full week juice cleanse. And it might actually go beyond a week. I'm starting today. What is a juice cleanse? Essentially, I'm just juicing all of my own fruits and veggies, and that's going to provide me with the nutrients. It's also gonna help really start that detoxing process, which should make my cleanse easier. Anyway, stay tuned. There'll be a video later today on the juicing. Until then, stay hydrated and have a wonderful day, friends. I hope you're doing the parasite cleanse with us. It's gonna be a great time. Woo!